Hiya, I'm gonna do an unboxing today. So this brand, I don't know which brand sent me this because it doesn't have a name in the box, but we'll see. So it's this small little box. Oop. Literally one little thing. Wow, that's a pretty big box for a little thing. There's not even a paper. So anyways, oh, it says Meloway, New York. So this is the brand Meloway. This is Your Way mascara. So this is a mascara. It looks pretty nice, the packaging. I've never tried this brand before, so I don't know nothing much about them, but it says this has a flexible wand and it bends up to 90 degrees, so into 4 directions. So this is a cool mascara. It's not like the traditional mascara that you just use that can't move at all. This one you can move the wand to like this direction, to the left, to the right, up. It's easily maneuverable, however you say it. Manageable, no, maneuverable. I don't know how to say it, but you basically can bend it and do all that. Not like the traditional mascara one, you know, the one that we usually use. This one's specifically designed for you to move it however you want it, so to get in really good and with your and your little lashes. If you have little lashes, it's kind of hard sometimes when there's like a big wand that you can really maneuver and flex and all that. Supposedly this one is good for that, so we'll see. We'll see. And you just lightly press the brush against the tip of the bottle to bend. So you see, like this. It kind of looks like it's broken, but supposedly it's not. That's just how it's designed. And then you can move it like this, up to the side, you know, like that. So it shows you how to do it. So we'll see how it works. These are the ingredients in case y'all want to know, because there's some people allergic to certain eye makeup. They can wear certain lash glue, mascara, eyeliner. Luckily, I don't have that issue, thank God, because I love makeup. Imagine, I would cry. Well, not really, but that would be so sad that you can't wear makeup. But anyway, so this is exciting. I remember on their website, now that I'm thinking, they had like blue, green mascara. I wanted those. And they sell other things, not just mascaras, I think. So this is how the bottle looks. It's pretty chunky, big, but it's plasticky, like traditional mascara. I like the packaging though. It's pretty sleek. It looks nice. Okay, so oh no, this is in the shade Blue Jeans, so I guess it's blue. Oh, I did choose a blue. Listen, this been weeks. I can remember what I choose, you know what I'm saying? But you see Blue Jeans. Yay. I'm so excited for this. I remember, was it when, oh, never mind, I've never tried colored mascara. What? Yeah, I don't think I've ever tried it. That's pretty cool. So I'm so happy and lucky because I've been wanting to try colorful mascara for my looks, to create a cool, you know, intense creative look. So we'll see how it looks on me. Okay, let me just open the wand. Ta-da! Oh, it's a pretty big one. I thought it was gonna be skinnier. Oh, it smells kind of good. So you can move it. You see, I moved it already. It's so easy to move. Well, you can move it all the way to the side, like that. So to move it, you just go like this. You see that little ball thing? I'm scared to break it, so I'm just gonna stop there. But it's a pretty blue shade. Oops, look, it fell. It's dangly. So I don't want to swatch it right now because I'm trying to do a Nipsey look using the box, January month's box. So I can't use this right now, but maybe tomorrow or another day I'll put a clip of me applying it on my eyes or something big. And I look naked, but I have a shirt. So I don't know, I'm so excited to try this out. I kind of wish I got the green one, but I don't know. It's okay. So, wow, I'm just so happy to try this. It's so exciting. I haven't been able to do makeup looks, but I'm hoping I get to use this fast. But so yay, thank you so much Meloway for gifting me this. I'm so happy and so excited because I've been wanting to try colorful mascara. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. It's just so fun and colorful. Or days that you don't want to wear eyeshadow but you want to add some color, you just put blue mascara and that's it, and you're good to go. So, and it's pretty easy. A lot of people use mascara on the daily, so if you don't know how to use makeup but you want something colorful and fun, you can just use this. And pretty much it. Put a little bit of, I don't know, liner, I don't know, and you're good to go. So yeah, this is very fun. So yay, I'm so happy. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. So yay. Oh, it kind of matches with my shirt. Oh, not really. Okay, bye.